think about having your service dog?
I love her. She's definitely already bonded with me.
How are you enjoying having a service dog?
Very well.
Yeah?
Can she focus?
What's helping you?
With my mental health.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, very much so.
Yeah. He's already been able to be out in public more since we've been here. He's been left by himself and that, and he'll do stuff and be able to go out and stuff, which he wasn't able to do before. So even in this short of a time, he's done so well.
Oh, isn't it great?
Yeah.
How do you feel about having your service dog?
It's great. He's for my son.
He loves when I'm taking pictures of him.
Does he?
Yeah.
Aw.
Oh yeah, he loves it. He gives me the excellent pose. There you go. Let's go, baby. Good boy. Good boy.
This is my primary too.
Get her back under control. Good. Nice.
Stay. Ashay, stay. Stay. Ashay, stay. Good boy. Good boy.
Watch your spacing. Watch your spacing. We know this is going to be difficult.
Ashay.
Would you like them to practice?
Would you guys like to pet her? Can I have her in a lay down first?
Ashay,
Right
focus.
down. Right down.
Ashay.
Right down. Down.
Reinforce your dog.
It's on the test, is all. You can pet her now. Good girl. Would you like to do it?
Ashay, sit.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah.
Really nice, Trinity. I love how you set that all up.
Thank you so much.
You guys. Okay, really. Let's go.
Does anybody have any questions or experiences that happened that were good or bad that you would like to share?
Me not getting control of Cache.
You didn't have control of Cache. When was that?
The kids. When was it, Mama? Like a while ago?
Just recently, when you were coming to the table and that, he was all over the place.
So what could you do differently to improve that next time?
Well, Mama said I just gotta walk over here and just redirect them somewhere.
Redirect him. And situational awareness. Why was it so hard for him in this situation?
Because there are people here and he wants to go greet them.
People that he wants to go meet. So it's much harder than where we have friendly people, right?
Yeah.
And so if we know there's friendly people, how can we do a better job of keeping him closer to us?
Get his attention.
Yeah, let's get his attention. How are we going to hold our leash? We're in a tight space or when there's really distracting people coming, we need to have not tight, but short leash with a little tiny bit of slack so that our dog doesn't have a lot of room to go, and that'll keep them closer to us.
Okay.
And it'll also be easier for our dog, for us in that situation, because they can't, if your dog knows I can never get to this reinforcement, they're gonna quit. They're not gonna try and get it. Keep control of your dog. You can praise her if she's doing well. And now you can keep going. You're very close. Go into the door. Controlled entry, use your cues. Good. Use your cues. Anything like feet up the side of that. So weaving, meaning like living between tight space